I am so excited to finally be able to shop NYX in India.
And after 4 years, it's still relevant. Hello, Sundari. This video was in collaboration with NYX, and I'm super duper excited still. So, when they came up to me and they told me that they're coming out with two products that are so in tune, in context with our times, I said, hell to the yes. So today we're going to be talking about NYX setting sprays. Both of these lovely things right here. If you guys don't know, NYX is vegan, cruelty free, and it was launched a couple of years ago. I think about 4.5 to 5 years ago. I was really excited to go to the launch party because NYX as a brand creates some of the most affordable products that are vegan and cruelty free, but at the same time the products themselves are really good, and a lot of professional makeup artists and people like you and I use them on a regular basis, and everybody really really loves them. Also, I really like the packaging. I don't know, I really like it. It's just my thing. I really like it. So let's talk a little bit about the product, shall we? So the NYX makeup setting spray, they come in two finishes. One is matte and one is dewy. Both of the matte and the dewy finish make your makeup last so much longer than it would if you wouldn't have them on. So both of these have the funnest language at the back. I feel like I would write something like this. I would write something like this if I had to write a product description. But both of them say that it's a lightweight water based setting spray that keeps your makeup looking dewy for the dewy one and matte for the matte one, and amazing. And it does. A lot of people get very confused on how exactly you have to use a setting spray, and I understand it can be confusing. A lot of people say it has to be close, a lot of people say it has to be really really far away. It really depends from product to product, I feel. But for the NYX products, what you have to do is after you apply the whole of your makeup, okay, just everything. After you apply it, you have to keep this about 6 inches away from your face and then spray it on. About 3 to 4 sprays is enough for somebody like me to cover the entire of my face. You can draw circles when you're doing it, you can go slunty slant, or you can just go in a square. The whole point is you have to cover the whole of your face and your neck if you have makeup there. Then you have to wait for it to dry. It dries pretty quickly as well, it doesn't really take a lot of time. You can just take a thermocol and keep on brushing it. Do not touch your face while this is doing its magic. That is one thing that I've seen a lot of people do. You have to let this dry completely and then just touch gently, okay? Gentle touches, okay? None of this because it's still wet. So when it's wet, do not fret and don't touch. You guys know, whenever I collaborate with brands, I like to show you guys how exactly the product has worked on my skin rather than just telling you how it's worked on my skin. So this is my face, this is my lovely lovely face with all of my makeup on, and I'm gonna spray the NYX matte finish setting spray on this side of my face. I'm going to cover the other side. Then, covering the side that I sprayed the matte one on, I'm going to spray the NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray on the other side. This is me being hella shocked how the Dewy Finish Setting Spray made my skin so dewy. I swear to God, I don't think I need highlighter anymore. Do you know how easy it is to just do a matte look and just put this dewy finish on and just not have to put highlighter? I'm gonna put a before and after so you guys can see. I don't really know how much the camera is picking it up, but the matte side wouldn't really look super matte because it was matte to begin with. But the other side of my face with the dewy finish setting spray, oh my god, I was so excited about it that I even asked Dave like what he thinks it. I swatched an eyeliner, an eyeshadow, a blush, a lipstick, as well as a foundation. I applied it twice over on my arm, and on one swatch panel, I sprayed the mattifying setting spray by NYX, and on the other one, I did not. After about 5 minutes of it drying, I actually tried to rub it first gently and then medium style and then a bit harder, and it didn't really come off. But when I tried to smush the side that didn't really have the setting spray on, it kind of dissipated and very easily. I just wanted to show you guys how effective this is by doing the smush test. I like to call it smush. Yeah, I'm gonna call it smush. If you're somebody that has oily skin, or if you're somebody that just likes a matte finish on your face, obviously you should go for the matte one. And if you're somebody that has drier skin and if you want a glow to your skin, definitely try the dewy setting spray. If you're somebody that wants a matte overall look but you want just a lot of highlighter at a specific area and not shine all over your face, I use the NYX matte setting spray, and while it's wet I take a little bit of highlight and apply it right there. Because of the fact that my sister's skin is oily, she likes to have a more matte look overall, but a little bit of highlight around the cheeks. So I really like both of them, but my personal preference, especially for winters, is definitely the dewy one. I just love my skin looking dewy. I'm not that much of a matte person, but if you're somebody that likes that finish, you can definitely go for the matte one. Both of the NYX setting sprays, matte and dewy, are priced at 875 rupees for 60 ml. I personally feel that that is enough because you can just do 3 sprays and this will last you up until 2 or 3 months if you are using it regularly. So I personally think that is a good investment if you're somebody that wants your makeup to last long and you have a specific finish in mind. If you like that sort of finish, I think it makes a lot of sense for you to invest in these. If you hate touch-ups as much as I do, and I hate touch-ups, you will really like it. Also, let me know in the comment section if you're one of those people that sweats on their face. Oh my god, I sweat so much on my face. This is my mask, right? This is my mask right now. I don't generally use this one. And so this is black from the inside. Mostly if I didn't really have these finishing sprays, when I would apply this, all of my stuff would come out. So I generally apply it like that. Like this. And whenever I would speak, right? I would speak or I would walk or do anything, most of my sweat would like accumulate here. And by the time I take it off, most of my makeup would come off with it, and this there's nothing there. So I really like it. So I recorded a whole face of my makeup and I sprayed one side with the matte finish setting spray and the other side with the dewy finish setting spray, and I just went about doing my business. And I'm gonna try to put in the footage of that so you guys can see how exactly it looked throughout the day, how the dewy one looks, how the matte one looks. And
hey guys, it's been about 2 hours since I applied my makeup. I don't really think I'll be able to do another update with natural light. I generally shoot in natural light, so the before shot that you saw was in natural, and I think from now on you will see tube lights. So the light might be really odd, but the makeup looks pretty much the same actually. The glow is there on this side and the matte is there on this side. I'm actually very surprised. Most of the time my makeup shifts by now, especially around the nose. That hasn't really happened yet. And yeah, hey guys, so this is the last check-in. This is what my face looks like. It literally looks exactly the same as before. And there is not a lot of creasing or anything, but you guys can let me know if you see something. But for me this looks pretty good. Like I can start doing a video right now.
so yeah, I really like these products, guys, and it would be great if you guys could try these out. I'm going to try to put a link. I think this is only available at Nykaa right now, so you guys can try it and then let me know what you think about it. If you're somebody that has complete opposite skin to mine, it would make a lot of sense for you to write down how exactly these products work for you. If you use the matte one, if you use a dewy one, how long it lasted, if you used it for office, if you used it for a specific occasion, or if you use it on and off, and how exactly your skin worked with it. Definitely let me know in the comment section. It really helps a lot of other people who want to make up their mind in purchasing the product. They only get to know my perspective through this video, but through your comments they get to know everybody else's viewpoint about it. And Everything is not just about what I think about products, it really is about what all of us think about products. And I feel like different products work differently on different skin, so it's better if we talk about it, according to me. I hope you guys like this video, and if you didn't subscribe, by clicking on the subscribe button. If you have any other further questions, you can definitely ask me in the comment section as well. And if you want to follow me, I am everywhere. And if you guys want to follow NYX, I'm going to try to put their social media links also in the description box. That's it.